Good morning, student. Today we will start the next type of reproduction, that is of vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation, basically we read under asexual type of reproduction, because this propagation or reproduction can take place from any old part of plant. Okay, either it's of stem, roots and leaves. So vegetative propagation is an asexual method of reproduction. Clear? It takes place or it occurs through vegetative part of plant. As I told you, what is the vegetative part of plant? It's of buds, stem, roots, leaves. On your screen also you can see that bulb of onion, tuber of potato, stolon of chrysanthemum. Okay, so corn of colocasia, conical roots of carrot, stem cutting method. They all are the modes of vegetative propagation. Clear? The green grass grows in the fields after rain from the dry. Old stems of grass plant present in the field by the method of vegetative propagation. Clear? Another thing, it means that in a in a rainy days, the old stem of grass also can develop, or new plant can sprout out from the old stem of grass plants also. Clear? So you can understand that when reproduction takes place or new organism form from any vegetative part of a plant, it refers to as vegetative propagation. Clear? So bryophyllum plants can be reproduced by vegetative part by using one piece of it. Either bryophyllum can reproduce itself from a leaves also, from a stem also. Okay, so when no gamete formation takes place, when no spores germinate, no male gametophyte form, no female gametophyte forms, at that time when any plant body, okay, any plant body can reproduce itself or form new plant, this mode of reproduction is known as the vegetative reproduction or vegetative propagation. Clear? As I told you, no gamete formation takes place. Definitely it's a part of asexual reproduction. Clear? So you can see here vegetative reproduction can take place by two modes. Okay, one is natural type of vegetative reproduction and second is of artificial propagation of plants. Okay, so today we will discuss about the natural vegetative reproduction. You can see on your screen there is a tuber of potato. Clear? Vegetative propagation of potato plant from a potato tuber can take place. Okay, so old potato plant, from these eyes, okay, you can see here, these are the areas, eye or bud area of the stem. From these buds only new plant can be emerge out. Okay, so you can see that from one tuber only 4 plants can be reproduced. So if we cut from these areas this potato, and if we just dip it in soil, after some time only you can see that from each and every part, from where from potatoes, which part which is having eye, from there only new plant can इमर्ज आउट. ओके, सो पोटैटो में आइज जो एरियाज हैं दे आर वर्क्स एज बर्ड. क्लियर? और वो बर्ड से ही क्या निकल के आती है, यू कैन सी हेयर, from these buds only plant, new potato plant grow. Clear? So it's about, a tuber is a thickened underground stem. So don't think that is a fruit part. Okay, tuber of potato is an example of stem. Clear? A tuber is the thickened underground stem or root of a plant which is swollen with stored food. Inside the potato so much starch is present, and starch means a huge amount of energy. Clear? How starch forms? When glucose accumulate in one area, for the accumulation of glucose it converts into starch. Clear? So potato tuber can be used for the vegetative reproduction of potato plants, and this is the easiest way to grow plant. Okay, so plant of potato plant basically grow with the help of this vegetative reproduction only. Clear? So it is not necessary to plant the whole potato. If you cut this potato in several pieces, clear? So from each and every piece is able to develop new plant. It's about the vegetative reproduction in potato tuber. Clear? As I told you, in bryophyllum, also, suppose if I show make the structure of bryophyllum, you can, this is the leaf of bryophyllum. In the notch area of bryophyllum, small leaves can comes out, okay, along with the main leaf. It's having the several small leaves are there. These small leaves works as plantlets. Okay, so in bryophyllum, leaves of plant can produce new plant. Clear? So this is the main medium, not only present in bryophyllum, in begonia also from the leaf, old leaf, new plants can emerge out. Okay, so this is also another pattern of vegetative reproduction. In bryophyllum, the leaves of bryophyllum plant have special type of buds in their margin. You can see that special type of buds are present in their margins in bryophyllum. Clear? Whenever these leaves gets detached from the parent leaf, these detached leaves are able to grow new plants. Okay, are you getting my point? It means that these buds may get detached from the leaves or maybe fall from the leaves, and from these buds are able to grow new plant. Clear? This is the main procedure of vegetative reproduction in case of bryophyllum. Okay, in begonia also the same method takes place. Okay children, so two examples we have discussed already. You can see here about the onion. These onion bulbs, if you just put these onion bulbs, from these onion bulbs also new plant can be emerge out. Okay, so it's about the vegetative reproduction. You can see here in case of runners also, runners can also show the vegetative mode of reproduction. Many grasses also show the same method of reproduction. Clear? So they are the runners. They run parallel on the soil. If you remember strawberry, mint, they also show the same type of natural reproduction. Clear? So they are the runners, they are the suckers. Okay, so on the basis of this also they can show the vegetative reproduction. Much more about the vegetative reproduction and its type you will read in class 12th, those who will take bio as a subject. Okay, so in strawberry show the process of runner. Okay, you can see here at your home also, those who are having strawberries plant in their garden, so you can observe that one plant is attached with the another plant with a long stem. Clear? One stem is run parallelly to the soil, or by this method strawberry can grow in by the natural vegetative propagation. Okay, so this is about in doob ghas also, cynodon also, you can observe that the how the grass grows. Okay, so in this also you observe in doob ghas especially nodes are there, and from each node new plant can be emerge out. Okay, so it's about the doob ghas. So mostly all the grasses show the vegetative type of reproduction. I hope that much is clear. So if you have any query regarding this, you can send me your question. Thank you.